It's time.
Okay, I'll get underneath better.
Oh, hi, yes.
Having some tea.
Just having some tea during the great shakeout.
Turn my phone on.
You know, I'm just relieved that I knew what to do. You know, it's really can be scary, but I'm feeling good. Had my PPE and my hard hat. Feeling good.
And most importantly, this is another reminder, don't just have this 1 minute, but water. What are we doing with water?
That's right. Start with water. Get your emergency kit ready so you can have it whenever the time strikes.
Hey guys, how long is this supposed to last? Been down here for an hour. All right.